TIG welding aluminum is a unique process that takes practice, but once mastered, it'll take your DIY projects to the next level. Here's what you'll need. First, put on a welding apron or jacket and wear welding gloves to protect your skin, as aluminum requires a heat point of just over 1200 degrees. It's also important to protect your eyes with an auto-darkening helmet. Put safety glasses on before you begin cleaning your base metal. Then use a wire brush and heavy-duty scour pad to remove any oxidation from your base metal. A clean surface is necessary to avoid contaminating the weld pool. To prepare the welder, you should start by turning it on, then adjust the amperage. Reference your welder's user manual to determine the proper settings. Attach the ground clamp to a clean steel work surface or materials so that the metal enclosure of the welding machine and the ground are at the same potential. Your welder will not produce an arc without it. For safety, bend the free end of your aluminum rod. Next, you'll protect the weld from contamination by turning on the argon shielding gas. Adjust the flow as needed. Check the regulator on the gas tank to find the range. For this project, we will be at a flow rate of 20. Make sure your helmet is pulled down, covering your face. To keep your base metal from moving, start by tacking it together. To begin the weld, you'll want to hover about an 1/8 inch above your base metal with the weld gun. Holding the aluminum rod in your other hand, move the weld gun in a slight U, figure 8, or cursive E shape, dropping filler rod into the weld pool. In a slow and controlled manner, continue traveling along your base metal, always pushing away from the weld puddle. Your welding bead should resemble a stack of dimes with nice, consistent strokes and no air bubbles. The weld cures in just a few seconds. Use gloves to handle until the metal has cooled. Once cooled, use a heavy-duty scour pad to clean the weld. With the right techniques and practice, you'll be making clean, strong welds like a pro in no time. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.